Hello and welcome to Drive Mode. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, the BMW G310 GS. Both these bikes are different in their styling and engine performances. But these two bikes can be called the most affordable and desirable superbikes available in the Indian market. Today, me and my friend Faisal are on a journey from the coastal town of Alleppey to the hilly regions of Idiki in Kerala to put these two bikes on a comparison test.
The Interceptor 650 is a flagship model of the world famous Indian brand Royal Enfield. The G310R and the G310 GS are entry level motorcycles from the German brand BMW Motorrad. These motorcycles are made for BMW by TVS Motor. Both the Interceptor 650 and the G310 GS are offered in the price range of 2.5 to 3.5 lakhs. This makes these two bikes the most affordable superbikes available in the Indian market, and that's the basis of this comparison. The distance from Alleppey to Udumujola in Idiki is 170 odd kilometers. The route is a combination of plain and hilly terrain and has good and bad roads. Both the bikes will have an opportunity to prove their mettle. A lot of scenic destinations can also be discovered en route. Both these engines handle steep incline with ease. But the 650cc engine of the Interceptor is way more powerful than the GS's 310cc engine. However, the BMW GS is 43 kgs lighter than the Interceptor. The BMW GS's seats are much more comfortable on longer rides. Both these bikes are totally different in character as in looks. The Interceptor has a retro styling similar to the classic Rajdoot 350, whereas the BMW GS has the styling of a modern off-roader bike. The GS looks much bigger than the other 300cc bikes and has an appealing road presence too. The beak-shaped nose and the gold-covered front fork give the bike character. Tall side profile, rear monoshock suspension, grab rails with luggage tray, bigger tires at the rear, 5-spoke alloy wheels, etc. make the bike attractive. Features like the digital meter console with gear indicators, ABS on-off switch, comfortable seating position for pillion rider, etc. make the GS different. The Interceptor has a classic and elegant design. The round headlamps with meter console, large rounded fuel tank, flat seats, dual exhaust pipes, chrome engine cover, blacked out frame with side cowls, spoke wheels, etc. give the bike a retro appeal. The bike has analog meters, slipper clutch, and a dual channel ABS. The luggage compartment at the rear is an aftermarket fitment. The more powerful and feature-rich Interceptor is also cheaper on price.
BMW 310 GS has a 312cc liquid-cooled fuel-injected engine and is mated to a 6-speed transmission. Gives you 34 PS power and 28 Newton meters of torque. It has dual disc brakes with ABS, has fork suspension in the front and monoshock suspension at the rear. The Interceptor has a 650cc parallel twin engine mated to a 6-speed transmission. It gives you 47 PS power and 52 Newton meters of torque. It has fork suspension in the front and gas-filled suspension at the rear. Has dual channel ABS. Both these bikes are perfect in their respective categories. BMW is a modern looking bike with off-road and touring capabilities, whereas the Interceptor 650 is a retro looking, powerful bike with touring capabilities. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.